If you plan to buy a Bounce Infinity E1 electric scooter in India, your life is going to be much more easier because of this recent agreement that has been between the Bounce and the Bharat Petroleum. Hello and welcome to DriveSpark. This is Bharadwaj, and yes, we are talking about an agreement that is between Bounce and Bharat Petroleum for swapping stations across India. To start with, Bounce Infinity has associated with various other brands to increase their swapping stations across the country. However, according to their latest news, Bounce has signed an agreement with the Bharat Petroleum to establish swapping stations for their customers across India. This partnership will start from Bangalore and also will be rolled out to other major cities in a phased manner. With this agreement, buyers in Bangalore for the Infinity E1 will have a lot of options and a frequency of swapping stations across the city, because as we already know, there are a ton of Bharat Petroleum fuel stations across the city, and having a swapping station will also help the customer to reduce the range anxiety that they will be facing eventually when they buy the electric scooter. With this, brand also further plans to increase the swapping stations to 3,000 units across 10 cities for the first phase, and they will eventually roll out to Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities as well. Bounce also announced that over 11 months there have been 1.2 million battery swaps from the existing network of swap stations, and this has collectively given them a data of 49 million kilometers to the brand to optimize their battery pack and also battery management system, which will further give them data with the recent expansion that is on our way. And with that, let me also provide some details of the battery pack. Now, the battery pack that is being used in the Bounce Infinity E1 scooter is a 2 kilowatt battery pack, and this will provide a range of 85 kilometers per charge that is claimed by Bounce. But however, when we tested the scooter, it gave us the range of around 65 kilometers in the eco mode. Now, coming to the cost of the battery swap, you get various subscription models when you purchase the scooter. However, if you are purchasing the swap model, you get to choose between two upfront costs, which is around 59,000 and 69,000. If you go for the 59,000 model, you will have to pay a monthly price of around 850 bucks. With that, you also have to add a 35 rupee cost for every swap. Now, for the second model, the monthly cost will be around 1,250, and the swap cost, that is the 35 rupees, the swap cost will remain the same. Bounce entered electric scooter market after taking over the brand Kimco Flow 21, that is the Flow 21 scooter, which has been rebranded to Infinity E1 in our Indian market. Now, if you want to know how the scooter performs, we have reviewed the scooter completely. We will leave a link in our description and also a pop-out card for you to watch that video. What did you think about this swapping station network being increased in India by Bounce? Do let us know in the comments below. Also, like and share this video, and do subscribe to DriveSpark if you haven't done it already. This is Bharadwaj signing off. Stay safe and ride safe.